In the dead silence of night, nestled among the mesas of New Mexico, a sound begins. You can't quite hear it, but you feel it. A low, unrelenting vibration, like a distant diesel engine rumbling underground. It's not in your ears, it's in your bones. Welcome to Taos, a desert town haunted not by ghosts, but by a sound that shouldn't exist. A hum that has no source, no explanation, and no end. It started subtly in the early 1990s. A handful of locals began reporting something odd. They were being followed by a noise no one else could hear. Some described it as the sound of idling trucks. Others said it felt like standing next to a subwoofer, but there was no music. The hum didn't just pass through their ears, it lived inside their skulls. They called it the Taos Hum. The hum wasn't just annoying, it hurt. Victims described headaches, dizziness, nausea, nosebleeds. Some couldn't sleep. Some broke down mentally. One woman even lined her entire home with foam insulation, desperate to drown out the drone. A local teacher said it drove her to tears every night. "You can't explain it to someone who doesn't hear it," she said. "It feels like your skull is vibrating, but the world outside is silent." As reports multiplied, researchers took notice. Teams from Los Alamos National Laboratory, the University of New Mexico, and other agencies arrived. They brought sensitive equipment, seismographs, directional microphones, everything needed to capture sound, but nothing was found. No signal, no hum, nothing, except the testimonies of the suffering. Out of over 1,400 residents interviewed, only about 2% could hear it. With no obvious source, theories spread. Some blame military experiments, hidden ELF transmissions, underground bunkers. Others thought it might be a geological anomaly, like natural Earth resonance. Conspiracy theorists claimed the hum was a mind control weapon or even alien tech. But for the people who heard it, theories didn't matter. They just wanted it to stop. In Taos, where ancient Puebloan culture still thrives, some look to older explanations. Elders whispered that the hum was not mechanical, but spiritual, a warning from the earth, a presence beneath the soil. Something awakened. For generations, native stories spoke of deep spirits and unheard voices under the mountains. Maybe, they said, some people can hear what others have forgotten. Over 30 years have passed. The hum still comes and goes. No closer to an answer. No closer to a cure. What's chilling is its consistency. Every victim hears the same frequency, the same tone, the same pattern, from young to old. They all describe it the same way. Something is out there, or in there. We just can't find it. The Taos Hum remains one of the most chilling and unexplained phenomena in modern history. A sound you can't hear, a pressure you can't escape, real but invisible. So tonight, when you lie in bed and the world is silent, really listen, because sometimes silence isn't silent. Real horror isn't always seen. Sometimes it's felt. If this story unsettled you, imagine what else might be out there. Forgotten by science, ignored by reason, but still happening. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn off the lights next time you listen, because the next hum might be in your town.